Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nokia 3.4. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and type Send Anywhere. Then download this app. Open it. Click I accept. Choose Confirm, tap on Continue and select Allow. You want to go with Receive on Nokia and Send on an Android. Normally, you need to tap on all of those dots and click Send to send all of your files and data. But I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time, so I will just click on this one photo, select Send and tap Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. If you want to scan QR code, click on the scanning icon on a Nokia, choose Allow and point at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but if you wanna check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files, click Continue, select in my case Images, and tap on Send Anywhere. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!